Hey, this is Chris, and now that you've had a chance to use some of the other tools and calculators on my website, I want to give you the opportunity to get the four most important financial questions answered that we all face. And by answering these questions, we often find that people might be transferring away their money unknowingly and unnecessarily. And this could be such things as paying too much in taxes, or maybe not saving their money most efficiently for retirement, and many other little things that come up along the way. So by answering these questions, it'll give you some clarity and confidence in when you can retire, and you'll know that you're being as efficient as possible with your money. So the four most important questions are, the first question is, do you know the rate of return that you need to earn on your savings and investment dollars to be able to live in the future like you live today, adjusted for inflation, and have enough money to last until your life expectancy? Second question is, do you know how much you need to be saving on a monthly or annual basis to accumulate enough money by your retirement to live at the same standard of living that you enjoy today? Third question is, do you know how long you will need to work before you can retire and have enough money to live until your life expectancy? And finally, do you know how much you will need to reduce your future standard of living during retirement if you don't do something different than you are doing today? So my question to you is, would you like the answers to these four questions? And if so, I can help you answer these in about 20 minutes. And here's kind of what the next screen looks like, is that this will show how your money is being saved, and then we can look year by year to see how our money accumulates while we're saving, and then when we get to retirement, it'll show how we're spending our money down in these various tanks to get us through retirement. And most importantly, by doing this exercise, it'll answer those four questions that we spoke about before. And then we can even see line by line, how our money is working for us during retirement. And hey, if we need to save more, we can look at that. If we need to get a better rate of return or work longer. The purpose of this is to kind of let you know where you stand now and to help you be as efficient as possible with your money getting into retirement. And the software even allows us to inject some hazards that could pop up along the way, like what happens if we need long-term care? What happens if the stock market has some big dips and we don't earn as much as we think? Premature death, what happens if tax rates go up or down? So we can inject all these various things into the software and then stress test it to make sure that we're prepared if any of those things happen. So in order for me to answer the four questions for you, there's two ways to put your information in here. There's a link under this video that you can click the link and then start entering your data. There's no personally identifiable data, so nothing personal. It's just basically account balances and what you're contributing, and that's it. Or if you want me to enter the data with you, click the second link, which is to schedule a Zoom call with me. We can enter the data together in real time. And then we can answer these four questions for you. And even if you choose the first option where you begin to enter the information on your own online, please also schedule a Zoom call, because step one, I don't collect any personal data, so I won't know how to contact you. So it's super simple, and like I said, about 20-30 minutes, it can make a huge improvement on your retirement outlook, because you'll definitely know where you stand now and what your current savings and strategies, how they're going to work for you getting you into retirement and through retirement as well. So I look forward to answering these questions for you and hope to talk to you soon.